Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will be taking you through the OKcoin. So let's get started. OKcoin International 2.0 is live. Learn more about KYC, profit with margin trading, deposit and withdrawal with ePay, and guide to my wallet. As one of the world's leading digital assets exchange, we aim to provide a fast and secure trading experience. Bank level security, high liquidity, customer first, and team of experts. So these are the investors. OKcoin International. We provide professional and secure trading services for investors with the most talents, tech and products experts in the field. Go to the OKcoin website to find more information. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.